Welcome to section 4 about building the finest front-end dashboard with Angular. In this section, we will build the user interface for our financial dashboard app. Familiarity with Angular is assumed. So now, let's start by generating the boilerplate with the Angular CLI. In order to generate a new project with the Angular CLI, you need to have it installed on your system. In order to do this, run the following command. This command will install the Angular CLI at the global level. Then, in order to generate a new Angular project, run the following command. This command will generate a new Angular project named finest-frontend. As you can see here, in order to generate a new project, you must run outside of the project. Here, because my project is already created, I cannot do this here. So if I go back outside and then run my project, you can see here that the CLI is asking me if I want to enable Angular routing. We will say yes. Then follow the rest of the process in order to continue installing your Angular application. You will then have an Angular project generated. Most of your application code will be located in the source folder. This folder contains app folder, which contains all the code for your main module, which will be the main entry point for our application. This structure should be familiar because Nest.js is heavily inspired by Angular. Next, in order to run our newly created Angular application, run the following command. This command will compile our TypeScript code in order to generate native JavaScript that is understandable by the browser. An aside, by default, the application will be running on port 4200. In order to run the application on another port, you can run the following command. Don't forget the port option in order to run on another port than 4200. Then, go to your browser to the local host, :4200, in order to see your Angular application. Here's what your Angular application will look like at the beginning.